Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter. It is the fourth chapter of English literature book. The name of the chapter is An Indian American Woman in Space, Kalpana Chawla. In 1997, an Indian American, Kalpana Chawla, was part of the international crew aboard the US space shuttle Columbia, becoming the first woman born in India to go into space. Sadly, the second mission in Columbia ended in tragedy. So, in 1997, an Indian American woman whose name was Kalpana Chawla was part of the space shuttle Columbia, and she was the first lady. She was the first woman born in India went to the space, and unfortunately, her second mission turned into tragedy. So, in an unprecedented, this is a news report which was published on then newspaper. In an unprecedented space tragedy, US space shuttle Columbia carrying Indian-born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and 6 others broke apart in flames as it streaked over Texas towards its landing strip on Saturday, 1st February 2003, killing all 7 on board. So, on 1st February 2003, Kalpana Chawla and 6 other crew members were killed in a space tragedy. You can say was killed in a tragedy, and it was an unexpected tragedy when they were returning back to the earth, and while they were over Texas and were ready to land, the spaceship broke apart in flames. The shuttle lost contact with NASA at about 9 a.m. as it came in for landing. It was flying at an altitude of over 2 lakh feet and traveling at over 20,000 km per hour when ground control lost contact with the shuttle. So the shuttle lost contact with NASA control room, and at the time of tragedy, the spaceship was flying at an altitude of over 2 lakh feet and was traveling at the speed of over 20,000 per kilometer. Columbia had lifted off on 16th January 2003 from the Kennedy Space Center, Florida. It had stayed in orbit for 16 days, and the 7-member crew conducted 80 experiments before it began its downward journey, which ended in tragedy. This was so Columbia had lifted off on 16th January 2003 from the Kennedy Space Center. It was located in Florida, and it stayed in orbit for 16 days with 7 crew members, and they conducted 80 experiments before they were ready to come back to the earth, and unfortunately it turned into tragedy. This was Columbia 20, and that Columbia was 28th space flight, and the shuttle was said to be the 100 to be good for 100 flights, and that the spaceship was considered as was said or was good for among was the best among the 100 flights. So Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed as a child in Colonel that she would cross the frontier of space. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore School. Now Kalpana Chawla never dreamed in her childhood that she would go to space, and it was enough for her that her parents allowed to took admission to attend engineering college after she completed her graduation from Tagore College. After a bachelor degree of science degree in aeronautical engineering against great opposition from her father, she went for a master degree to the United States of America. So when she completed her bachelor of science degree in aeronautical engineering, she went for master degree to United States of America, and her father doesn't wanted to let her go. So she later earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. Kalpana Chawla Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida, and participate in a successful mission in space. Her family from India cheered along with staff at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia liftoff. So Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian born woman or who went to space, and their family and staff members cheered when they were taking off from Kennedy Space Center. Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana, but was a naturalized US citizen, married to flight instructor Jean-Pierre Harrison. Besides being as an astronaut, she was licensed to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes, single-engine seaplanes, and gliders. She was also a certified flight instructor. After qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge, applying to NASA Space Shuttle program, and she was the first hired as a research scientist at NASA. In 1994, she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. Now I will explain you this paragraph. So, Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal, Haryana, but she became a US citizen after her marriage to an American flight instructor, Jean-Pierre Harrison. So she is called an Indian American, and in 1994 she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut among others. Thus she became the first Indian American woman astronaut, and she was the first who was hired as a research scientist. Now, when asked what it was like being a woman in her field, she replied, I really never ever thought while pursuing my studies or doing anything else that I was a woman or a person from a small city or a different country. I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else, and I followed them. And people who were around me fortunately always encouraged me and said, if that what you want to do, carry on. So Kalpana Chawla is saying that she she never thought that she would go to space, and she tells that as she was a woman from a small city, and she never dreamed that she would go to space one day. She is further saying that she had a pretty dreams like anyone else, and she followed her dreams, and she made her dreams come true, and people who were around her encouraged him always. So now wait for a second. So Kalpana first space mission in the space shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours and 30 minutes long. So Columbia first space mission in the space shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. So Kalpana's first, when she did her first mission, her duration of mission was of 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes. During this time she went around the earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometer, and while she was on her mission she took a round of earth 252 times, and she traveled 10.45 million kilometer, and the crew included in that crew included a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. The crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in space and test for making stronger metals and faster computer chips, all for price tag of about $56 million. So Kalpana and her crew members performed many experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in space. How plants is there any options to grow a plant in space, or they made a test for making strong materials and faster computer chips, and the cost of the mission was around $56 million. And the crew in her first mission, the crew included of Japanese and Ukrainian astronaut. So on the Saturday night, when the news about the Columbia disaster broke, there was a shock and disbelief. The town of Cornell spent a sleepless night as thousands of households stayed glued to their television sets in the hope that Kalpana and the crew had somehow survived. A journalist wrote, "She was a heroine. It takes enormous ability to become an astronaut. You need to know a lot about everything from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. In this age of super specialization, you must have encyclopedic knowledge to be an astronaut. Her achievement is awe-inspiring." So, when the news about the Columbia disaster broke, there was a shock and disbelief everywhere around her in Colonel, and Colonel, who was her hometown, and each and every person spent a sleepless night as they were hoping that Kalpana and the crew had somehow survived. A journalist wrote about Kalpana that she was a heroine, and according to him, astronaut is a very able person. To become an astronaut, a person must have a knowledge of biology to astrophysics to aeronautics engineering. Overall, an astronaut has should have encyclopedic encyclopedic knowledge. And Kalpana now, so for millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla, a girl from a small town who touched the skies, had become an inspiration. In a message that she sent from abroad, the space shuttle Columbia, to students of her college in Chandigarh, Kalpana said, "The path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get onto it. Wishing you a great journey." So, for us, or for millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla is inspiring. Uh, she was a girl from a small town, and but she touched the skies, but she achieved success in her life and had become an inspiration for all of us. And while she was in space, she sent a message to her students of her college in Chandigarh, to students of her college in Chandigarh. And Kalpana said that the path from dreams to success does exist. That she's saying that your dreams might come true, but you will have to do hard work for it, and it is not impossible to make your dream true. And she further wishes that may we all have the vision to find it and the courage to get onto it. She wishes us, wishing you a great journey, and she wishes the students of her college also that they may succeed in their life. There will surely be many who start off on this journey to fulfill their dreams. So she is giving her blessing that all of us, or the students of her college in Chandigarh, may have a blissful journey, and to make the dream come true, all we must have a courage and vision to make it true. So this was the explanation of the chapter, and at the last, Kalpana Chawla in her message told that a dream can be made a reality, but it requires a courage and a vision to determination to complete it, to achieve it. I hope the explanation is clear. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on Google Classroom. Thank you and have a good day.